In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Don't Starve Together split screen on your PS4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a disclaimer and say that I am recording this video on my computer. However, the process that I'm going to show you in this video will work on your PlayStation 4. The only reason I'm recording this on my computer is because I don't have the means to show you Don't Starve Together gameplay on a PlayStation 4. All you have to do split screen on your PlayStation 4 for Don't Starve Together is first open up the game with your controller connected as usual. Now, the second layer that wants to play split screen with you, they need to connect their DualShock, and over here at the main menu, press the Options button on each DualShock 4. So before you even host a game or you join a game, press the Options button on the DualShock 4 over here. After they press the Options button, they will appear at the top right corner of your screen. When you see their name at the top right, you can go ahead and start hosting the game. So just select any of your worlds, mess with the settings as you wish, and then you can join the world. Like I said, I do not have the means to show you the gameplay of this on PlayStation 4, but as long as they press the Options buttons before you join a game, you will be able to host a game and you will be playing split screen with however many players join your world. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Don't Starve Together split screen on your PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.